Hello my YouTube beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a what's in my purse video. So I'm going to share with you guys every little item that's in my purse. I have not cleaned this out in a while. I need to. So it's probably a good time to do it. Before we jump into this video, be sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on my future videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So this is my bag. This is a Michael Kors like tote bag. It has a long strap. I always wear longer purses. I never do like just these straps. I always make sure one has a satchel type of strap that I can wear, like have it down a little bit lower. Like I said, this is my Michael Kors bag. I always leave this little thing. This is like what says it's Michael Kors in here because it flaps around, it gets everywhere, and I'm just over it. So that's where it lives. Up here, I have a little compartment that actually holds my keys. This front little pocket right here. The nice thing about this is it does close. So this little compartment, it actually like opens up. You can grab your keys and then close it and spin this so it stays tight and secure. So here we go. Here is the inside of my purse. I really don't even know what's in here. First off, I have a Maybelline powder. This is the Better Skin Transforming Powder. I use this to touch up my skin if I notice that like my foundation is wearing weird or it's wearing off. I always have one of these in here. Along with that, I have the Sephora blotting papers. These are the charcoal ones. I just used these for the first time the other day and I really liked them. It picked up my oil without moving my foundation around, which is a plus, so I have to keep those in there. What's in this pocket? I always have a little mirror in here. I've never used it, but it's in there if I need it. Then I have my sunglasses. I keep it in this hard case. These are the Quay glasses from, you know, Desi Perkins. This is what they look like. They're really cool. You can probably see all of my dirty desk right there. And they're really dirty. I need to clean them off. Look at that. That is disgusting, Kate. Then I have my wallet. This is just a general wallet from Target and it opens like this. There's all my crap in there. What is this? I have a Godiva chocolate wrapper. I have a hair tie. This is a receipt from Sephora. I always keep this little guy with me, so just a little information for you. I'm not asking for any sort of like feedback or anything about this, but I always keep one of these little things in here. In high school, I did go to therapy for a little bit. I was dealing with a lot of panic attacks and really bad anxiety, and I didn't know, you know, what the cause was. It just kind of turned on like that, and all of a sudden I was having panic attacks. So I always keep one of these bags in every single purse or, you know, my work bag that I have. This I call a self-care bag. When I was going to therapy, she told me to like get a little bag that's for me. Like I was able to calm down when I'm at home and I'm in a controlled environment, but when I was out and about and I didn't have like my candles or my blankets or my couch with me, I could not function. I couldn't calm myself down. So I got a little bottle of this. This is just some essential oils I mixed together. I breathe them in whenever I'm struggling. Scent is something that really helps me. This is a worry stone. If you struggle with anxiety as well, you just hold it in the palm of your hand and you can just kind of rub on it. It's a really easy thing to fidget with. If you are anxious or restless or whatever, you can just kind of like hold this and have it be really discreet and people wouldn't really notice, you know, that you have one of these in your hand. So I always keep one of these in here. This one is like jade or something, but I always have one of these. And then this bag also has some positive little quotes that I put in here. Like when I was struggling, I really struggled with change and with unexpected things happening. That's kind of when I would get anxious. I always keep one of these bags in here just in case I were to have a panic attack or something. I don't have them anymore. I haven't had one in probably almost a year, but I always keep one in here just in case. I mean, I'm fine. I don't really struggle too much with anxiety anymore, but there are days where I'm struggling and I need something to pick me up. This is disgusting. This is a eyelash wand. My hairdresser gave this to me when I got eyelash extensions for my wedding, and it was just down here at the bottom of my purse. That's disgusting. I should throw that out. Then I have another receipt from Kona Grill. It's a place here to eat. I have, what is this? A U.S. Postal Service receipt and a scrunched up ball of chocolate. So that's in the first compartment. This one, this first compartment right here, I just went through everything that's in this one. Let's see what's in the middle, because there's like a little divider. So I have some headphones that I always have on me in case I want to watch something. Have a ColourPop matte lipstick in the shade Layover. This is more anxiety stuff. I just like didn't know what essential oils I wanted at first, and so I just got a lot of them. This is from Aveda. It's actually a blue oil, so this one and this essential oil is for migraines. So I get really bad migraines. They're better than they used to be, but I used to get them 2 or 3 times a week, and they are like debilitating. You cannot do anything, and I was really struggling, and peppermint oil is something that really helps me when I do have a migraine. Thank God they only come around my period now. This blue oil from Aveda, and then this is called Madristil, I don't know. It's a migraine stick. I got it from Amazon, but they both have peppermint and like soothing stuff in them. I rub these on my temples and on the back of my neck whenever I get a migraine, and these help a lot. And then this oil is from Aveda as well. It's called Stress Fix. It's a stress relieving aroma. I don't really use that one as much anymore. Then I have a L'Occitane hand lotion. So that's what's in the zipper compartment right here. And then let's go to this back compartment. This is where all the crap lives. This is Chris's birthday card from my grandma. She wrote a birthday card, and last night we went out to the old spaghetti factory, and I just said, put this in my purse. So that's where it lives. It's a beer card. It says, you're unbelievably awesome, and Chris really liked it. And I have a thing of hand sanitizer. I got one of these on Amazon. There was like, I don't know, 10 bucks for 15 of these, so I should actually have it like more accessible because I don't really use it when it's back there. Now it's on the front of my purse. Boom. I have a checkbook. This is a pen. I have so much hair in the bottom of my purse. This is a Bud Light concert wristband thing to say that you're over 21. I have this. So this I actually got from Sephora, and it holds all of my gift cards. So whenever we're out and I'm like, hey, let's go somewhere to eat, I always try and use a gift card first because we get a lot of them for Christmas and stuff. Then I have this hand lotion from KL Polish. I'm going to put that right up here because I never use that either. Oh, this is a Sephora cream lip stain in the shade 13. I thought I lost that. This is more hair. These are tissues. They're almost out. There's like one left in here. I have some more hair. This is a pill pouch. It says Monday on it. So I must have needed it for Monday. I don't know what was in there. And then I have a quarter. There's a little zipper compartment I forgot about. This is where all of my medication lives. So I have this. Half of it is Pepto and half of it is my migraine medicine. I have an inhaler because I have asthma. So many tampons. Look at all these. I have ibuprofen, Midol, Dramamine, more Midol, and then a Gas X thing for like when you're bloated and stuff. Where did it go? I think I dropped some pills on the floor. Oh, it just fell in my purse. So that's everything that's in my purse. I'm actually happy I did this. I never have time to sit down and clean out my purse, and there is so much trash in front of me. And also, why do I have so much hair at the bottom of my purse? I feel like I need to vacuum that up. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see what's in my work bag. I'd be happy to go over that with you as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!